front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can choose font style on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on display. From here, scroll down again, tap on font size and style. Go into font style and click on the best one for you, in my case Gothic Bold. So as you can see, when I go back, style of my font has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and try something new by tapping on Downloads fonts, installing the best one for you, and applying it by tapping on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!